Welcome to our book summary of Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. This influential personal finance book has sold millions of copies worldwide since its publication in 1997. Today, we'll explore the key lessons Kiyosaki learned from his two father figures: his biological father, Poor Dad, and his best friend's father, Rich Dad. Key Lesson 1. The rich don't work for money. Kiyosaki's poor dad was highly educated and held a stable job but struggled financially. His rich dad, though less formally educated, became wealthy through entrepreneurship and investing. This contrast forms the basis of the book's central theme. Financial education is more valuable than traditional academic success when it comes to building wealth. The first lesson challenges the conventional wisdom about work and money. Kiyosaki argues that while the poor and middle class work for money, the rich have money work for them. This doesn't mean the wealthy don't work. Rather, they focus on acquiring assets that generate income, such as businesses, real estate, and investments. Key Lesson 2. Financial literacy is crucial. Kiyosaki emphasizes the importance of financial education. He defines an asset as something that puts money in your pocket, while a liability takes money out. Many people mistakenly believe their house is an asset, when it's often a liability due to ongoing costs. The rich focus on acquiring income-generating assets, while the poor and middle class often accumulate liabilities they think are assets. Key Lesson 3. Mind your own business. While it's important to have a job, Kiyosaki advises readers to mind their own business. This means focusing on building your own assets outside of your day job. Start small, but consistently invest in assets that will generate passive income over time. Key Lesson 4. Taxes and corporations. The rich use corporations to their advantage, both to protect assets and to manage taxes legally. Understanding tax laws and using them effectively is a crucial part of building wealth. Kiyosaki suggests learning about these strategies to maximize your financial potential. Key Lesson 5. The power of financial intelligence. Financial intelligence isn't just about making money, it's about keeping it and making it work for you. This includes understanding accounting, investing, markets, and the law. Kiyosaki argues that increasing your financial IQ through continuous learning is key to long-term wealth. Key Lesson 6. Work to learn, not to earn. Especially when you're young, focus on acquiring skills rather than a high salary. Seek jobs that will teach you valuable skills in areas like business systems, people management, and sales. These skills will be invaluable when you start your own ventures. Conclusion. Rich Dad, Poor Dad challenges conventional wisdom about money and work. By focusing on financial education, acquiring assets, and developing your financial intelligence, you can break free from the rat race and achieve true financial freedom. Remember, it's not about how much money you make, but how much you keep and how hard that money works for you.